If you're struggling with brain fog, low energy, or constant inflammation, and haven't found real answers, AgeRejuvenation can help. We take a root cause approach, starting with your gut health. Our 3 advanced diagnostic tests are designed to uncover hidden imbalances that may be affecting your mood, energy, and overall well-being, and give you a clear, personalized plan to fix them. First, we look at the gut-brain connection. Your gut plays a key role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin. If your microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to brain fog, mood swings, and cognitive fatigue. We help identify the imbalance and guide you on how to correct it. Second, we test for intestinal permeability, commonly known as leaky gut. When your gut lining weakens, toxins enter your bloodstream, triggering inflammation, fatigue, and a weakened immune response. By identifying your inflammation triggers, we can help you reduce symptoms and heal your gut. Third, we assess your nutrient absorption and metabolic function. A damaged gut may prevent you from absorbing the nutrients your body needs for energy. Our test shows where that breakdown is happening and how to correct it through diet and supplementation. Finally, we evaluate your gut microbiome diversity. A balanced, diverse microbiome supports digestion, immunity, and mood. If we detect dysbiosis, we'll recommend specific probiotics and lifestyle shifts to restore harmony and health. At AgeRejuvenation, we don't guess. We test, treat, and guide you every step of the way. Don't let your gut health go unchecked. Book your consultation and start feeling like yourself again.